What's going on, everybody? I am back with another video. Where are you tuning in from? What type of bike you ride? Let me know in the comments below. I just got off work. Now I'm heading home. And yeah, come and join me. Let's go for a ride. I actually already filmed a video today. I took a little ride during my lunch hour, and everything went smooth until I got back to work, and I just checked the footage on the computer, and the wireless mic that I have has this mode where if it's on, the audio you record with it is becomes echoey. So here I spent probably about 35 minutes riding around during my lunch, and I thought it would be, a good video, and the audio part is all messed up because it's echoey. So I can't use that footage unless you guys want to watch the video and the audio being all echoey, which I don't think 90% of you want to do that. So yeah, I made sure I adjusted that before I started doing this video. With all that said, we are heading home now. And yeah, just gonna go home, probably start working on this video so that I can post it. Usually around this time is quite busy through here, but it seems to be flowing, the traffic seems to be flowing fine. A lot of people probably went home earlier. Oh, never mind. I spoke too soon. This is the stuff I hate when I get off at 4 o'clock. It's the traffic. Right now it's about 7 or 8 degrees or something like that. So it's not too bad. Earlier today when I was heading to work, I was a lot more colder. But I managed to do it. Oh wow, look at that hole. It's a nice Jetta. I like the color. All right, here we go. Hopefully we start getting a lot more nicer weather, and I can start doing more of these videos. I do have some ideas for like storytelling type videos uh, that I want to do. Something more appealing, something more that's story driven. I got some ideas. I actually have one video already written up, and I'm soon going to start shooting the B-roll for it and whatnot, and obviously the POV type style footage. I think you guys will like it. So make sure you subscribe if you have not already. And for the ones that are subscribed, I appreciate you, and thank you for that. Nice Mercedes-Benz. A little dirty, but it's nice. This motorcycle season, I'm hoping to go a little farther away from my my usual routes. I like to get out a little further away, explore, if it's possible, obviously. So with that said, if you do live around here somewhere, let me know the best possible routes, because I would definitely consider taking them. There was a biker. It's nice to see them. I saw a few during my lunch when I went for a ride. So they're coming out. The ones that are brave anyways. I'm only joking, guys. But it's nice to see them. That just means nicer weather ahead. Anyways, guys, I will end the video here. Thank you for checking it out. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. And like I always say in all my videos, be safe, ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.